How can you use video to market your business? That's my expertise. That's what I do. I'm a YouTube producer and I help businesses leverage YouTube, video of course, to market their business. Now there's a specific strategy that I use, and we've used the same strategy on every single channel, and it's predictable. It works. There's so many YouTube strategies that are really elusive. What works for one channel doesn't work for another. And so I'm excited to share my strategy, and I'm confident that it will work for you too. And I want to start by talking about what we're not doing. We're not making a promo video that we do paid ads for, that we're not just pushing a promo video out there. And why not? Why are we not doing that? Well, let me show you. So if we start with a promo video, then we think, well, what if I just pay for views? We're gonna have a percentage of those people who actually watch. Okay, because some people, they only watch the first 5 seconds, right? Or they're not paying attention because they're kind of forced to watch it. So only a percentage of those actually watch it, and then only a percentage of those act, right? And that means they become a lead. And then unfortunately, these are low quality. They're low quality leads because they went through this process that they didn't like, they didn't enjoy, and you got them to click on a couple things to become a lead, but you're gonna really have to sort through these. So of all these low quality leads, it's a very low percentage that buy from you. All right, and yeah, I've got this wrinkly paper, but let me show you what's underneath here. So here's the strategy that I follow. And let me say that promo videos are important, but you're not gonna put those on YouTube, and you're not gonna pay to send people to a promo video. You're gonna put those promo videos on your website, on landing pages, right? So that when people are ready, then they go to those places, but you're gonna do something first. And these are the 9 steps that you're gonna follow first. So step number 1, you're gonna find the questions that your target audience is asking online. Like, what problems do they have? What challenges are they facing, or what goals are they trying to reach? They go to Google and YouTube and they type in these questions. Now, the more specific the questions, the better. Typically, they'll type in like an 8-word question or even a 10-word question, and you can filter out the ones that are not your target audience and hone in on the ones that are your audience. Then you outline the answer. Like, what is the answer? How would you answer that question? Just outline the talking points. You don't need to write out a script. In fact, it's better if you don't write a script, but you actually outline your talking points. That way you can build a relationship with them. Okay, step number 3 is to record an intro. Now, the intro is not where you deliver your content, but it's where you let people know what you're going to share. Like, create some curiosity. We call it setting a hook. So imagine a table of contents, right? In a book, you've got all the different chapters, all the different information. While on that table of contents page, it's giving you hints and indicators of what's coming in the book. And so that's all you do in the beginning of your video. You kind of give a little bit of a table of contents and deliver it in a way that creates curiosity and lets them know how valuable this video is, why they should spend 10 to 12 minutes with you on this video. So if you do that right, you'll have a high average view duration. That means you'll have people watch your video all the way to the end versus having majority leave after 20 seconds. So this part is key. Delivering your content, answering that question, you know how to do this. You're really good at answering those questions. So that's what you do here. Don't hold anything back, have it be really valuable, and don't sell yourself. Don't sell your services here or try and inflate your ability. Just answer their question. When you get to the end of the video, you're gonna give them a free gift. So you've given them value by answering their question. Now you're gonna give them a free gift, more value, something that's really beneficial to them that they'd be willing to exchange their name and their email address for. Ideally, their phone number as well. So you're gonna record all of this, and then you're gonna move on to creating a thumbnail. Now, this is really important. I've got other episodes that I'll link to right up here, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, but you've gotta create a compelling thumbnail. Thumbnails have become pretty competitive. Then when you launch this episode on YouTube, there's a few things you can do to set it up. You gotta make sure that that question that you're answering, that's the title of your video. Okay, all of this is to lead people to your email list. Now there's a whole lot packed into step 8. This is basically your business. You're gonna nurture them through email, and you're gonna invite them to a conversation about your products and services. So we talked about your promo videos, your commercials. this is where they see those, right? So they've gone through this whole process on YouTube. They've never heard of you before, but they have a question, and they find you and they build this relationship with you. And now they go to your landing page and they see a promo video there, and they're curious. And so they go to other pages on your website and they explore. That's where they see your branding. That's where they see your promo videos. But your focus is on search. You're not worried about pushing this or promoting this out. You don't need to pay for any advertising anywhere. Just start here and trust the process, and search traffic will start to come in. If you look at the analytics on YouTube, you can look at search traffic for your whole channel as a whole, and you can look at it over time. So you can look at the last 28 days and compare it to the 28 days prior to that, and you can see if it's increasing. And if you follow this strategy, it will be increasing. And this really works. And the more search traffic you get, the more leads that come in. This becomes the most amazing advertising system for your business. Now, I want you to master this, so I have a gift for you. This is my book. It's called A Hero's Guide to Influence on YouTube. It actually took me 2 years to just get this perfect. I've produced many, many channels, and I wanted to feature everything that I've learned and how we've implemented these steps on all of these channels. I take you behind the scenes. It's printed in color so I could show you screenshots of all the different things that I do on YouTube. And if you read and implement this book, you will generate leads on YouTube. As long as you pay the printing and shipping cost, there's no profit to me. This is my gift to you if you go to natesyoutubebook.com.